please. Right away, sir.
Did you hear about the general?
Yes.
I bet he's handsome. Here.
Let me help you there, sir.
Thank you.
Oh dear. The general has arrived!
Here we are, sir.
Is this it? I believe so, General. Allow me. Oh. Sir?
Now what the hell was that for?
But
Quick service. Let's go.
Is that the general? Quickly, assist him! Good day, sir.
well,
Good day, mister.
Oh yes, good to have you here, sir. Would you mind just signing on the line?
Look,
Here's the pencil.
Oh yes, certainly. Step aside.
Would you please? Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Well, please. You too, sir.
There you go, Laurel.
There. Yes.
Hat.
hold that.
Take it off.
The push.
There.
Sheesh.
Just sign.
Sorry.
I don't have a pen. Oh, there it is.
Here. Ah.
If let me help you. If
You
sir.
give me that.
No worries.
There.
Of course. Ah, Mr. Menagerie, we have the guest here.
Oh, yes. The general.
Was that necessary?
Oh, you must be the first man. Welcome.
So you're the manager of this hotel. The man I wanted to see.
Thank you, sir. Here we are. Ah, yes.
Here it is, General.
To manager Frontenac Hotel City. Dear sir, introducing your new doorman and footman. These boys are the best we could do at such short notice. There is some reason to believe they may well be competent. Taylor.
You? Doorman. Fucking doorman, eh?
Yes, sir. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Please excuse me, General.
You imbecile! They are employees! Now what the hell do you want?
I present General Shkuski.
It is the general? Stuff. Get his luggage, go set up the suite. I will deal with you later. Let me show you to your room, General. Follow me. Step right this way, General.
Speech. What about a speech, General?
Yes, certainly, General. The public awaits you.
Thank you. I want to compliment your prosperous nation. Socialist greeting.